Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we started tracing the level 3 that we imported from CAD, and I showed you how to turn on and off. And then now we're adding more walls. So here we just missed one wall right there. And then now we're gonna continue working on this. I believe we added the wall right here and the wall right here as well. So the difference between that wall is there's a layer here, but our wall doesn't have. So that's the only thing that I differentiate. And obviously I showed you how to turn on and off so that we could see what we missed. So that's easy. And then we're gonna do that later on more. Here, let's just keep on adding the straight walls, and then let's just add all the walls like that as well, the walls that, and then we're just gonna do everything like that later. I think it's easier to just add those walls, and then those walls are connected, and then here we have a balcony. We could just add that one later on. I think this wall is done already. No, not yet. So CS, make sure you're connecting it to the outside like that. And if you notice, we just go over just a little bit. It's not something that is um, not like noticeable or game changing. So it's something that is very subtle. So it's not something that you should be concerned about. Plus, this is the design only, and from here you should be getting more ideas, and you should create your own ideas as well. I'm just showing you how to design something like this, and then in the future you should be doing it and showing it. So now I believe we have all the straight ones. Now we just need to add this, the one from the inside. This is angular wall like that, and then this one is just a wall like this, and then an angled one as well. Then here all the way angled, and then angled walls like that as well. Let's add the hand angled wall right here, angled as well. Okay, that's good. For here, I'm just going to go and straight this out, and then go all the way out like that. Here as well, I'm just gonna connect it and then connect it all the way angled. This is just a mirrored portion of that, so I could just go over on one point. And then a straight one like that. Just want to make sure here we're missing a wall right there for the kitchen. And then obviously we're gonna go back and forth so that we could see uh, what are the things that we missed. Here is just a balcony, so actually we need to add this wall for the curtain wall. That's the window of that. We could actually add this as circular. So now let's add CS, and then here we could just use this. So this is the start and radius. So we need to click on end, the start and the end, and then the angle. So roughly circular like that. Arch. There we go. And then there we go. Balcony. And then here we could just add one more. And then that's the only thing that with balcony. And then let's continue working on this. Just add it there. This is angled. And then here, let's add this angled wall right here, all the way outside like that. Okay, so now keep on adding here. Another angle right here. And then let's add here as well. Of course, we need to extend this. And then we're gonna add in the toilets. So this one doesn't have it. There we go. We have our wall, and then CS again, add walls like that. So what's easier for me is looking for the straight lines, and then from there, the easiest way to finish, it's like that. And then here we should add a wall angled like that. And then let's just fix that later on. Delete this, and then probably extend this from that point. Now let's double check. And then let's check it by turning off the floor plan, VG, and then go to imported categories. So that looks good. Now let's add in some doors. So let's turn that on again. And then here, go to our doors from our architecture. And then let's see, let's make this one. Let's edit this and then duplicate. Let's change this to 700. Press OK. And then here, change it to 700. After that, you could just add it, and then if you hit something like that, you just need to move it a bit. CS from there, change it from the orientation by spacebar. Here's some closet, so we could just do that later on. Here it's heating that one, so don't worry about that. There, and then obviously on that spot. Here, so we just need to be careful not to hit the other wall or the adjacent wall. Add it like that. Here. So this one, we just need to flip this and turn it around like that. So let's go room by room. So this one, done. And then let's go all the way from down like that, so that we don't miss any. So here, space bar, and then go to your left side or right side. I think everything's done. Closet, we're gonna deal with that later on. We could just do it like here. Let's deal with that later. So here we're good. This one's done as well. And then let's add in some room names if we have time. Here we should be good. Just nudging it in place like that. And then here in this spot. So we're good with here. And then now on this, let's not forget this one. In terms of the kitchen, we need to add kitchen as well. Okay, with this. For the level 3, this is something that we need to uh, put more time. It's because this is something that um, will be copied all throughout the floors, especially the windows. We need to fix that. That's why from level 1 to 2, I'm not worried about that. We could just do that later. But in terms of level 3, we needed to do now or late or after this because we need to finalize everything so that our design will be good enough. And then we need to do the kitchen so that all throughout the floors we have all the kitchens. We also have all the markings and we also have all the location of the washroom. We have toilets added, the bathroom, and those kind of stuff. Here, I'm just going to add the door. Let's add the door. So here, let's add it, the small one, and then the bigger one. And then let's add in the markings or the annotation details. 10 lines. At this, at least this part is done already. And then here, you just move it. Sometimes it's just hard to put it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna delete it. It's easier to add. And then here as well, you could just put CS. From there. And then let's add in some doors. I believe let's go to our underlay and then put in level 2 so that we can add in the doors as well. So select that CS and we could add in the same doors and then the same orientation. So that's fine with that. VG, or let's remove this now to none. So for now, let's stop here and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.